What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's car show day today. Well, it's top notch day today. That's like a car show. We haven't been in a while, and it's a little warm today, but it's actually a pretty nice day, and we're gonna go top notch. We're gonna go hang out with the gang. So we'll do this one. This will be like a crazy point of view, POV camera car show experience. It'll be like you're there with us. So it'll be super awesome. Let's go. Look, it's a nerd and a goofball. Oh, little sideways hug. Did you bring Bob?
I didn't want to mess up your camera. No, we're your good concert.
I know.
I said yes, I can do it.
But you didn't do it?
I did it.
Oh.
Magic.
Hello, how's it going?
Oh my god, look at these cupcakes. Huh? I'm not using the audio, don't worry. I'm really using the audio. She does all the baby stuff. Loud and smelly.
Crying.
Lots of crying, yeah. Look what it is. Familiar faces. How you guys doing? I've never seen that one before. Well, after 4 days.
Have more on it. It's cheaper. So once I started like removing cars, because we had 3, I went down to 2. Really?
What? Ambiance. He's explaining the...
Once we went down to 2, it didn't go down by very much. And they said it's
How you guys scam your insurance company?
No.
No, it's totally legit, totally legit.
No, use American collectors.
Oh, it's a wagon.
A wagon
That's cool.
right there.
I like that. That's beautiful.
Yeah, and I'm gonna leave the body. I'm just gonna clean up the body, get all the, it's got like moss on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean up all the moss off of it, but I'm just gonna leave the body the way. The door's shut like they're brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, door shut.
That's cool.
Yeah, I just found it was in my son's, my son lives in Dripping Springs. And it was right around the corner. It's been sitting there for 6 years.
There you go. What's up, my friend Josh? I have a camera.
Where's your excitement level?
Oh, thank you.
Are
A trade.
What is she giving you?
It's drugs, don't worry about it.
So you
it's an acid
she
trip.
gives you drugs and you give her baby presents.
You'll be able to tell what I picked out and what Nicole picked out. What's in there? You'll be able to see.
Carburetors.
Yes. MB Weber's, what?
Yeah, little baby Webbers, baby Webbers. Everybody eat your cupcakes yet? Can we eat them now?
Please.
I've been waiting.
Oh, good. Those donuts look good.
And the little whatever that is full of pork, I think.
Ooh. Golly, it all looks so good.
Golly, I'll tell you what, boy, look in there.
They let people tear down their houses.
You showed I've already done the good stuff's right here now.
Did you get the 1972 health food special?
That is it. I think that's the Weight Watchers special.
I keep forgetting they have gluten-free bread, but
Hey, give me a burger with none of the good stuff.
vegan bread. I'm allergic.
Thank you, sir.
They pushed it with the bobcat. They pushed it? Hola, hola.
I bought this.
You know what's gonna happen?
Go ahead, jump in there, buddy. It's all original. This is Riviera. So this one was made a camper in Germany. This one was a panel with no windows that was turned into a camper at the factory or at the dealership.
Well, you should bring it out
Nice.
here.
You should bring it out here.
I know. I
Every
want to.
third Saturday.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, that was top-notch meat. Gary is helping young Axel work on his car. He finally made it out to meet in his own car, registered and inspected and legal and legit and everything, huh?
Freaking brakes.
And then he broke the seat off because of those long dancer's legs he's got. Old Soylent Green. You remember that one from that other video we did that one time. The coolest birthday present from the coolest guy ever. Anywho, t-shirts and links and things, oldvolkstv.com. What do we say at the end of my videos, Gary?
What do we say? That make sure you like and subscribe to Old Volks TV.
It's funny, nobody makes it to the end of my videos, so nobody knows what I say at the end.
Oh, I know what you say.
What do I say?
Make sure you watch VW Live.
Oh, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.